Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to explore jobs and professions. So let us get started. Actor performs roles in films, theater or television. Architect designs buildings and structures. Artist creates visual art such as painting or sculptures. Athlete competes in sports and physical activities. Baker prepares and bakes bread, pastries, and other sweet treats. Banker provides financial services and manages investments. Biologist studies living organisms and their interactions. Carpenter builds, repairs, and installs structures and fixtures made of wood. Chef prepares and cooks food in restaurants or private kitchens. Chemist conducts research and develops new chemical compounds. Civil engineer designs and develops infrastructure projects. Designer creates visual content such as graphics or fashion designs. Dentist examines and treats teeth and gums. Doctor diagnoses and treats medical conditions. Economist studies and analyzes economic trends and data. Electrician installs and repairs electrical system. Farmer cultivates and harvests crops, raises livestock. Firefighter responds to fires and emergency situations. Graphic designer creates visual content for digital and print media. Historian studies and interprets historical events and artifacts. Interior designer designs interior spaces for functionality and aesthetics. Journalist researches and writes news articles. Kindergarten teacher educates young children in early childhood development. Lawyer provides legal advice and representation. Mechanic repairs and maintains vehicles and machinery. Nurse provides healthcare services and support to patients. Optometrist examines and treats eyesight, prescribes glasses or contacts. Pharmacist dispenses medication and advises on its use. Photographer captures images using cameras and editing software. Psychologist studies and treats mental health conditions. Quantum physicist studies quantum mechanics. Real estate agent assists in buying and selling properties. Surgeon performs surgical operations. Translator translates languages for communication. Urban planner designs and develops urban spaces. Veterinarian provides medical care to animals. Waiter serves food and beverages in restaurants. Writer creates written content such as books or articles. X-ray technician operates X-ray machines for medical imaging. Yoga instructor teaches yoga practices. Zoologist studies animals and their behavior.